There it is. He's idled up a pinch. Let me take y'all with me to idle it up just a hair. A little more. It does have some old gas in it, but that ain't what it's doing. There we go. Unless it tries to load up there, but it's sounding good there. Nope. Still trying to load up a little bit. I gotta say, it's just an old box of bolts, but it's my box of bolts now. I love it. Gonna see about getting my spare block to the machine shop this week. That way I can start on the 347. And then gonna see while it's at the shop, gonna see about getting this thing lowered. I've got the complete DJM 4.5 lowering kit, so and C notches. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna shut her down. Thank y'all for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Stay tuned for some more Ranger related content. And then soon after that, we're going to get started back in on the 65. If you're new to the channel and you don't know about that, I have a 65 Ford Mustang. Go back and watch some of my videos. I'll tell you a little bit about it. 65 Ford Mustang Coupe. It has the AJE front K-member, which allows you to use Fox body or SN95 suspension. Then I have like 2008 GT brake calipers and rotors on the front of it, but you can go the Cobra route. I just didn't want to have to run the big wheels, but then I ended up buying these big wheels, these 17s, so I don't know, I might go back and revisit that. I've put new floorboards in it, did that before I went blind. Just here recently is when me and the nephew put the K-member in it. Had to cut out everything. It has the AJE mini towers. Those are pretty trick. Opens up a lot of room in the engine bay. I'm not going to tell you what we're going to put in it. Some of you might already know, but then also have a 4-link rear suspension kit for it. Got to get that put in there. But the next thing we got to do is we have to get the steering shaft modified. It has the Fox body manual rack under it, and you have to get some joints, get some double D shaft, make you a little bit of a new steering shaft. But that's it for now, y'all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, follow. I'm on TikTok, Blind Luck Mechanic or Kevin Coffee. YouTube, Blind Luck Mechanic. Instagram, Blind Luck Mechanic. Facebook like page, Blind Luck Mechanic. Do all those things. Still got to make a video about our upcoming giveaway, but rambled on, went on long enough. Thanks y'all for watching. Peace.